in terms of Django, what we did is, if I open kind of pages here, page is not opening, so I'm going to open like a text editor, just a very basic text editor. All right. Let's see. All right. So essentially, what we did is we created a Django project. That's one of the things that we did. And for us to do that, we had to do a few things. The first thing is we had to create a virtual environment. Of course, and we picked Python 3.8. And then we installed Django on the virtual environment. Of course, the way we do that is by kind of activating the virtual environment. And then we install Django on the virtual environment. And then we created a Django project after we installed Django using Django admin, if you remember. There's a command called Django admin. And then we created a Django app, and we made it, essentially we added, we created a Django app for our project. So again, we said that Django projects typically have apps, and we're gonna have one app for this course because our Django projects will not be very big. And then, of course, we went to the settings.py, and we added kind of the name of the app, which we gave it the name main, added main to kind of installed apps. I think there's kind of a, it's like you can think of it as a list of installed apps. And I'm going to open the Django project now. And then we opened it, opened the Django project in PyCharm. So that's really what we did. And I'm going to open PyCharm now and show you the project. So we gave this project a name, and the name was, I believe it was Django project, maybe. Let's see. Yep, I think it's the Django project. That's the name that we gave it. Okay. So that's the Django project that we kind of created. Again, if you look here, this is the virtual environment. This is the Django project, which gets created. This folder gets created when you do Django admin command to create a Django project. And inside this, we have some stuff. Main is the app. So main gets created when you actually create the app inside your Django project. So let me get rid of that. And again, what we did is when we created the main app, we went to installed apps and we added it to this list. Okay, guys, do you have any questions about this? Okay, so let me stop the recording and start again because we're going to do new stuff now.